In this video, I'm going to explain the behavior flow report from Google Analytics. It's an amazing report to analyze the flow of traffic within your website and how people interact with the different pages, as well as where they come from and many other metrics. So by default, this is set to landing page. So this is showing your landing page. And if we go to site content and click on landing pages, and click this little speech bubble, you're going to see that landing page is the page through which visitors enter your website. So a lot of people don't understand this, but a landing page is the first page that people land on when they enter your website. So it might be the home page, it might be other pages, as you can see in this scenario. So it's important to understand that distinction. So we're going to go back to behavior flow. So this is showing the landing pages through which people entered your website. You can see the different pages here, and then there's the rest of them. So if you want to see more pages, you can click group details, and Google gives you, so if you click top segments, it'll give you all the other pages and give you a little graph table chart view of the sessions to these different pages. So to make you understand this a little bit better, I'm going to click right here and click on medium. So this shows you where people are actually coming from to your different pages of your website. So you can see they're coming from organic, PPC or CPC, direct, and referral. And you can move this little slider up here to expand it a bit, or to set it up how you want it. And so what these are saying is that they come from organic, they land on the starting page. So these are the different pages they land on. And if you want to just see where people are coming from organic, you just click highlight traffic through here, and it'll show you where people that are coming from organic are actually going to. And Google doesn't show you all the different pages, but they do have this last one here. So if you click that and go group details, it'll show you all the other pages that people are landing on from the organic search results. And then you can look at the traffic breakdown, which source they're coming from, as well as the outgoing traffic. So what this means is people are landing on all these different pages, and then from all those pages they're going to these different pages here, as well as 63 other ones. So I mean, they don't show that. Another thing you can do here is you can add steps, so it doesn't have to only be the top 3 interactions, so you can add more steps down the funnel, and you can see they keep getting thinner, and then you just scroll it like that. Okay. So this is the first interaction after they land on these different pages. Then so if you click there and highlight traffic coming through the index page, then you can study a bit better what's going on here. And so now if we look at these different numbers and nodes, what's the point of all this? So the first thing we want to look at is each one of these different pages. So if we click this page, we can select highlight traffic through here. What this does is it just shows you this specific page, and when you hover your mouse over, you can see these different metrics. So what this means is that there's a total of 468 sessions coming to this page, and out of those 468, 182 actually go to these other different pages, and then 286 drop off. So 61% actually drop off, and drop off is equivalent to an exit. So you can see this bar right here, these are the drop offs. And obviously you want to aim for the shorter these bars, the better. So you might want to fix some of these pages, since 61% of the people are actually leaving this page. And then you can do that for all these different pages. You know, you can see that this page is also reupholstery page. Once again, has a high drop-off rate, so that page might need more improvement. And then you can look at some of these other pages here by clicking group details, and then looking at your drop-off rate for all the different pages. It's too bad you can't click this, but you can export in Excel and see which pages are the problem pages. There are also other reports that you can run by clicking this drop down here. So you can see we were at the medium. You can look at some of these other ones like source/medium, so that'll give you, you know, if it's organic, Bing and stuff like that. So you can look at that and where they're dropping off. And you can go through each one of these. You can look at your AdWords, so you can see the actual keywords that people are typing in AdWords and where those keywords are going, and if people are dropping off. Same thing with your different campaigns that you're running. You can look at behavior if you've set up events, or this is the landing page report we looked at. So these are all custom events that you can set up. It's more advanced stuff. Custom variables, social, and you can look at the user, so you can look at the city they're coming from and if they're dropping off out of the city. You can look at mobile, so you can see your drop-off rates on different mobile devices, and this is a very good report to fix mobile issues on certain pages that have high drop-off rates. So if you come here and you look at the, contact us page, it is normal to have a big drop-off rate, but if you look at some of these other pages, so that's a great great report to look at. And then I think that would be it here. So another report I'd like to bring to your attention that's very useful to fixing up and determining drop-off and exits and bounces is to go to your landing pages report. So here you're going to see all your different landing pages. So these are, like I said earlier, the pages through which visitors entered your site. So if you click this little icon here, the comparison, and then in sessions you select bounce rate. So this is just a really quick and nice graph to show you your bounces per landing page. So this tells you that whoever came to the website to this page, so let's say they searched on Google and if this page showed up and they clicked through, 17% of the people did not go to any other page on the website. They left. So that's what a bounce rate is. And the difference between a bounce rate and an exit rate is that bounces are single page visits without visiting any other page on the website, while exits, people have visited other pages on your website and then have come to the certain page and exited. So we have another video for bounce rate versus exit rate that you can check out. That'll give you an overview of that. Another useful report is the exit pages report. So what this shows you is which pages of your site were the last pages of your users' visit. And here you have the exit rate. So if you see pages in this report with a high exit rate that also function as landing pages, you'll want to revisit and fix those landing pages to make sure you're not losing customers who are leaving your website without visiting other pages and converting. So this sums up our tutorial, and hopefully you found this video useful, and if you did, please like it, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comment section below and we'll answer them as soon as we can. And you can also subscribe to our channel to get more updates about videos like this one. Take care.